Good morning, children. I warmly welcome you all lovely kids for the second session on wild animals. Kids, in today's session, we will be revising the different types of wild animals that live in the jungle. Then, an activity. In this activity, we will be playing a quiz and then the solution of the worksheet which was being given in the previous session. So now we shall start our today's session with the revision on wild animals. Kids, do you all remember what I had spoken earlier about wild animals? Where do they live? They live in jungle. Wild animals कहाँ रहते हैं? Jungle में. They live in a forest. So, let's revise about these animals. Tiger, a national animal of India. Lion, the king of the jungle. Elephant, a huge animal with a long trunk. Fox, a cunning animal. Giraffe, an animal which has a long neck. Deer, a beautiful animal. Bear, an animal which has a furry body. Rhinoceros, the second huge animal. Kangaroo, a national animal of Australia. Cheetah, a fastest running animal. Monkey, who has the ability to jump from tree to tree. And the zebra, which has black and white stripes on its body. So now, kids, let's move on to our quiz time. In this activity, I will be giving you description about each animal you can see over here. You all have to identify the name of the animal I am talking about. So, let's start the quiz. Guess our first animal. This is a very clever animal. It has the ability to jump from tree to tree. And its favorite fruit is banana. So kids, can you guess which animal is this? Yes, it's a monkey. Our first wild animal. I hope you all must have guessed it right. Let's move on. This is a very beautiful animal. It has the ability to jump high and swim well. It has spots on its body. Can you guess which animal? Yes, it's a deer. I hope you all have guessed this. Our next animal, everybody should guess, okay? I will be saying only one description about it. This is a king of the jungle. Yes, it's a lion. This animal is also easy. He is the national animal of India. Which animal is this? Guess, guess. Yes, it's a tiger. This is the fastest running animal and it is mostly found in Africa. This animal is a bit hard to guess, but I hope you all will definitely guess it. Try. It's a cheetah. Cheetah are mostly found in Africa and it runs very, very fast. Now this one is easy. This is a very huge animal. It has two big ears and a long trunk. Yes, you guessed it right. It's an elephant. Can you see the long trunk? And you remember I had told you it drinks water with the help of the trunk and breathes and smells with it as well. Let's move on. Next, I had told you earlier, elephant is the first largest animal. This animal is the second largest animal. It has a huge body but a very small brain. It eats only plants. You guessed it? Yes, it's a rhinoceros. Now, this is our last animal to guess. This animal has a furry body and it has thick legs. Can you guess it? No? Give me one more clue. It is black in color. Which animal is this? This is a bear. So kids, I hope you enjoyed this quiz time activity. Let's repeat the animals. Lion, tiger, monkey, deer, elephant, cheetah, rhinoceros, bear. These are called wild animals. Where do they live? They live in jungle. Wild animals कहाँ रहते हैं? Jungle में.
Let's check out the solution for the worksheet.
The worksheet was to help the wild animals reach the forest right here. We had already done the first animal, that was the elephant. Let's move on further. So children, as you can see on the worksheet, I have already drawn the arrow. Let's check out if you all have done the same way. The first animal is cheetah. So children, is cheetah a wild animal? Yes, it's a fastest running animal. So we will draw an arrow towards the forest. Next we have a cow. Cow is a farm animal. So we will not draw a line towards the forest. Next is the tiger. So tiger is a wild animal. It's a national animal of India. So we shall draw a line towards the forest. Next is a camel. Camel is a farm animal. Next we have giraffe. Giraffe is also a wild animal. You remember the longest neck? Yes. So we shall draw a line towards the forest. Next is sheep. Sheep is a farm animal. Next we have zebra. Zebra is also a wild animal. So we shall draw a line towards the forest. Above zebra, which animal is this, children? Yes, it's a horse. Is a horse a wild animal? No, it's a farm animal. And the last one is a kangaroo. Kangaroo, a national animal of Australia, and it's a wild animal. We shall draw a arrow towards the forest. So kids, how many animals have we reached the forest? Elephant, cheetah, tiger, giraffe, zebra and kangaroo.
Kids, by now you all must have understood which are the wild animals and where do they live, right? I hope you must have got all the answers correct in the worksheet. Keep watching the videos that have been uploaded and enjoy them. Take care. Bye-bye.